Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review two new feature-packed Wi-Fi cameras from Mydlink, DCS-8300LH and DCS-8525. So let's get into it. Both cameras are advanced Wi-Fi cameras designed with number of home monitoring needs in mind. DCS-8300LH is Full HD Wi-Fi camera, so as DCS-8525LH, but DCS-8525LH is an pan and tilt Wi-Fi camera as well, which gives you options to move the camera and get a better field of view. These new cameras, along with the Mydlink App, offer advanced features including cloud recording options as well as third-party integration capabilities like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and IFTTT. Both cameras support cloud recording, including free trial period, as well as onboard microSD card slot for local recording. Both have sound and motion detection built in, along with two-way audio feature. With enhanced Mydlink App, you can view live footage from all your camera one by one or simultaneously. DCS-8300LH gives you 137 degree of field of view, while DCS-8525, being a pan and tilt camera, gives you around 340 degrees when rotated or 110 degrees in normal view. Both support up to 5 meters of night vision as well. Let's quickly install both the cameras and capture some footage in daylight and during the night time. Very dark now, except the side here on. It's completely dark, but the LEDs are going on. This is audio text as well in the dark. Final words. Setup was really easy. Both cameras work great. The build quality of the camera is solid. It's available at excellent price point. Night vision is quite impressive, and these are truly 1080p Full HD cameras. If you're looking for getting something for indoor monitoring, definitely recommended. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me a review request.